Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an intriguing topic, how to make her miss you using subtle, psychologically rooted techniques that are often overlooked. This isn't about playing mind games or manipulation. These are strategies rooted in self-mastery and deep psychological principles that make you truly unforgettable. We'll reveal 7 secrets that tap into human nature, helping you create a powerful impression and lasting presence. Mastered by only a few, these techniques will help you cultivate a confidence and calm that people are naturally drawn to and often miss when it's gone. So, if you're ready to learn how to leave an impact that resonates, let's get started. In a world that rushes toward connection, craving validation and fearing solitude, there is a path taken by few, a path of self-mastery, control, and fortitude. We seek not to manipulate, but to live with such clarity and resilience that we become unforgettable. When we embody this ancient strength, people feel it. They sense something rare and powerful, something they can't easily let go of. That is what truly makes someone miss us. Today, let us dive into 7 timeless principles rooted in Stoicism that guide us to a presence so grounded and powerful that it leaves an impact. We do not play games, nor do we engage in dark psychology. Instead, we cultivate such strength within ourselves that our very being becomes magnetic. Psychology number 1. Embrace the power of absence. We begin by understanding the value of distance. Marcus Aurelius reminded us, "The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts." When we are always present, always accessible, we become easy to take for granted. But when we embrace moments of absence, it is not to manipulate, but to deepen our sense of self. By withdrawing occasionally, we allow others to see what life is like without us. Our absence creates space for appreciation. Explanation. The Stoics believe that distance allows us to see things more clearly, whether that's our own thoughts or our relationships. Absence can create a sense of appreciation because it gives others a chance to reflect on our role in their lives. If we are always available, our presence can become too familiar, and familiarity can sometimes lead to being taken for granted. How to apply it? Practice taking time for yourself, creating space in relationships so that people have the opportunity to notice the void when you're not around. This doesn't mean disappearing, but rather cultivating independence that shows you value yourself and your time. Psychology number 2. Master emotional control. To make someone miss you, you must first master your own emotions. Seneca said, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." Our emotions, when unchecked, drive us toward impulsive actions, filling silences with desperate attempts at connection. Yet the wise know that true power comes from silence. We speak when we mean it, act when necessary, and remain calm in our solitude. This inner strength, this self-control, is what others remember long after we're gone. Explanation. Stoicism teaches us to govern our emotions instead of letting them govern us. Emotional control is a foundation for self-respect and stability in relationships, showing others that we are not driven by impulse or seeking validation. How to apply it? Rather than reacting impulsively, practice patience and calmness in difficult situations. This emotional discipline not only makes you feel more at ease, but also shows others that you are grounded and mature, a quality they may come to miss. Psychology number 3. Cultivate an aura of purpose. A life without purpose is easily forgotten. But when we commit ourselves to something greater than fleeting desires, we gain a magnetic quality. Marcus Aurelius urged us to waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. When we live with purpose, we naturally exude an energy that others are drawn to and miss when it's no longer near. They miss not just our presence, but the inspiration and strength we bring into their lives. Explanation. Purpose was essential to the Stoics, who believed a meaningful life was a fulfilling life. People who are committed to a higher purpose or passionate about something meaningful draw others to them naturally. When we live with purpose, we exude a quiet confidence and energy that others are drawn to. How to apply it. Define and work toward personal goals and aspirations that matter to you, whether they're related to career, personal growth, or helping others. Living for more than temporary pleasures or attention creates a depth others admire and often miss in their own lives. Psychology number 4. Embrace the strength of silence. Words are often overused, losing their meaning with each careless repetition. Epictetus said, "It is impossible for a man to learn what he thinks he already knows." So we choose silence, understanding that silence can say more than words. When we let go of the need to fill every moment, we allow mystery to work its quiet magic. Silence is a reminder of our strength, and it leaves others wondering, even longing, to know more. Explanation. Stoicism values the power of restraint, especially in words. Silence can carry a weight that words sometimes cannot. When we are comfortable with silence, we don't feel the need to constantly fill space, and this can make us seem more grounded and even mysterious. How to apply it. Learn to use silence as a tool. Listen deeply and only speak when you have something meaningful to add. This restraint allows others to see you as thoughtful and intentional, creating a sense of respect and intrigue around your presence. Psychology number 5. Show kindness without attachment. We show kindness, but we do not become attached to praise or the need to be admired. Stoicism teaches us that attachment binds us, makes us reliant on the opinions of others. We care without clinging. We give without expecting. This kindness, given freely and without expectation, is rare. It leaves a mark on others, a memory they return to, longing for someone who can love without needing to possess. Explanation. The Stoics valued kindness, but avoided attachment to others' responses. Showing kindness without needing anything in return allows us to be generous and open-hearted without losing our inner stability. When we offer kindness freely, people remember it because it's rare and genuine. How to apply it. Offer your support, encouragement, or help when you feel it's right, but avoid attaching your worth or happiness to others' reactions. This freedom and kindness demonstrates confidence and maturity that others often come to value and miss. Psychology number 6. Stand firm in your boundaries. A Stoic knows the value of boundaries, not as a wall, but as a sign of respect for ourselves and others. When we communicate clearly what we will and will not accept, we become respected and valued. People miss those who have a strong sense of self, those who do not waver in their values. As Epictetus said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." When we stand firm, we teach others to respect us, to see our worth even in our absence. Explanation. Boundaries are essential to respect both for ourselves and in relationships. The Stoics believed that to maintain inner peace and freedom, we must be clear on what we will and will not tolerate. When we respect our own boundaries, others learn to respect us too. How to apply it. Define what you are willing to accept and communicate that calmly. When others see that you have self-respect and are consistent with your principles, they feel secure and inspired by your clarity even in your absence. Psychology number 7. Embody an inner calm in all circumstances. Finally, there is the calm, a peace that others feel when they're near us and miss when they're not. It's the calm that comes from knowing that our happiness and worth are not dependent on external forces. This inner calm, nurtured daily, leaves a lasting impression on others. Marcus Aurelius advised, "Nowhere you can go is more peaceful, more free of interruptions, than your own soul." By embodying this calm, we become a rare presence, one that people can't help but miss. Explanation. Inner calm was a hallmark of Stoic practice. Marcus Aurelius and Seneca taught that true strength is found in the ability to remain at peace regardless of external conditions. This calmness creates a strong, steady presence that others are drawn to and miss when it's gone. How to apply it. Practice staying calm, particularly in stressful or emotionally charged situations. Focus on finding peace within, rather than reacting to every challenge or conflict. This calm confidence makes you feel centered, and it radiates a peaceful energy that others appreciate. These principles aren't tricks, they're a way of being. When we live with purpose, silence, kindness, and boundaries, people feel our presence and remember us when we're gone. The mark we leave is not one of fleeting emotion, but of steady respect, admiration, and sometimes a longing that words cannot explain. So let us walk this path, not seeking to manipulate or impress, but to live in such a way that we become unforgettable. We are not here to control others, but to master ourselves, to embody a strength that few have, a resilience that others crave. And in doing so, we live in a way that brings meaning, connection, and ultimately leaves others wanting more. Let us embrace this journey of self-mastery. Let us become the type of people that others miss, not because we try to make them miss us, but because we are rare and unforgettable, rooted in purpose, calm, and strength. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos on Stoicism, relationship, and personal growth. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And stay tuned for more insights on how to elevate your life and relationship.